Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unmute chat messages on Instagram. If you've muted someone's messages and want to start hearing from them again, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats effortlessly. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a tap to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, it's time to find the chat you want to unmute. Scroll through your list of conversations until you locate the person whose messages you've muted. If you have many chats, this might take a moment, but don't worry. It's all part of the process. Now that you've found the chat, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to that conversation. From this menu, select Unmute Messages. You might also see an option to choose a specific period for unmuting. This lets you decide how long you want to receive notifications from this chat again. After making your selection, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted the chat messages on Instagram. Now you can stay updated with all the conversations that matter to you without missing any important messages. Remember, managing your notifications helps keep your Instagram experience enjoyable and clutter-free. If you ever need to mute someone again, just follow these steps in reverse. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy reconnecting with your friends on Instagram.